I'm about to know live at 5 in the morning. Hey, Lauren? Hey, Lauren. Your bed's so lumpy. Take your blankets off. Get off me, bro. Sorry, Lauren. Hey, Lauren? Hey, say love again. Alyssa. You think okay to have feelings? You think they want to be loved? What? Get off me, Alyssa! What don't you think? They want someone to be... Shut the fuck up! Sorry, Lauren. Hey, Lauren. What'd you feel about Michael Jackson's song? Poor thing. She just died. Hey, Lauren. Touch me. Ah! Oh, sorry, Lauren. Hey, Lauren. Want to make me some breakfast? Lauren. I'm hungry. Why is it so hot in here? Whew. It's like an oven. Hey, Lauren. Hey, Lauren. Why is the sky blue? I mean, there could be orange. Or red! Oh! Alyssa! Oh! You annoy me all night! But seriously, why blue? Why not another color? Just saying. Hey, Lauren. Why doesn't anybody live on the moon? Shut up! I mean, you can go there. Why can't you just live there?